Hello and welcome back to the shop here today at Fix It Bong Bong. We are continuing along with the Jetta VR6 to Harlequin swap project. If you're just tuning in, we're in the middle of taking the VR6 and all related parts out of this rotted Mark III Jetta and swapping it into a pretty clean Volkswagen Harlequin Golf. Last video we pulled the rear axle and subframe assembly out. And today the goal for this video is we're going to go ahead and remove the remainder of the wiring harness, the clutch master cylinder, shifters, parking brake, exhaust, and those are the main things for today. So thanks for tuning in, and alright, let's get to it.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you.
I hear if you breathe the dust, it gives you German superpowers.
T-bars in the way. We have to remove that.
Very good. What you got there, Mike?
Got myself a little microphone. Already been ready.
Woo! Alrighty, so far today we have we've succeeded in pulling the exhaust, removing the parking brake, shifter, the doors. We didn't plan on the doors, but we went ahead and did that. And now Mike is working on taking apart the dash so we can get the remainder of the wiring harness and main fuse box. Oh, so we can also get better access to the clutch pedal master cylinder. I'm pretty worn out, but there's still some daylight left outside, even though we're inside in the lit garage. And I think we're going to push forward, and I'm not really doing anything. Mike's doing all the work. I'm just sitting here. But, yeah. Oh, and the heater just ran out of kerosene, so I'm going to go fill that up. And, Mike, how you doing?
Good.
Mike's got a fever, actually. So really, I'm the bitch today, but, you know.
See if you know what the octane tube does.
Oh yeah, we were taking off the door sill over here, and there's this, looks like a big CO2 cylinder that says Achtung on it, and all sorts of German warning things, and it's connected to the seatbelt thing, and I assume it's like a pre-tensioner of sorts, but, you know, if you know, comment below and let us know what that is, but It says do not strike, so we're tempted to hit it with a hammer or throw it in the campfire and see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna go fill up the heater with kerosene. It's cold. Yeah. I think we've come to a pretty good stopping point for the day. We've achieved almost every goal we tried or set out to do. We've got the exhaust removed. We've got the I'm drawing a blank. Today was rough. Okay, we got the parking brake removed. We got the exhaust removed. We got. Is that all we did? Oh yeah, we did the shifter. Oh, we also got all the doors removed. Again, that really wasn't the plan, but it made things a little bit easier. And now we're just kind of, I don't know, we're at a good stopping point. Mike's working on lining his toolbox, and I'm working on mounting a TV on the wall. So, you know, it's just one of those days. You can't have, not every day can be productive in the shop, but I don't know, today's a pretty good day. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I guess next time we'll finish up pulling the rest of the electrical stuff out, and yeah. Woohoo! Now I can watch all my holiday favorites.